Hello viewers, I am Kippy and I welcome you all to this 17th video of Python series. So there is a small topic in operators that is called identity operators and something called membership operators. We are going to discuss them today. Actually, I had intentionally left these two and waiting for actually discussed about list and tuples, because in membership operators we are going to see something about that. That's why I just kept these two apart from that operators topic. Okay, so let's start and let's begin with identity operator. Identity operator, so this is a very small video. This is not gonna very long. 2-3 examples will be enough. Okay, so let me create a variable. I am giving x equals to suppose 55 and y equals to again 55. All right, and now if I do x, the identity operator, very first identity operator is is, that is called is. X is y, so it is literally meaning like is x is similar to y, something like that. Okay, I'm asking x is y, yes or no. Here x is 55, y is also 55, so yes, it's true. Let us execute. Yes, I'm getting true. So now if I just copy and change the value, something like 555, okay, or 5565, anything. Now if I do x is y, I'm something like asking is x is similar to y or same, exactly the same is to y. No, so we are expecting false here. Let's check. Yes, it's giving false. So the very first identity operator I can say is is. So another identity operator is not. I think there is a difference or there is a gap. Yes, is not. Let me put inside or just comment out. Okay, so we have seen about is. Now let's just check about is not. So I hope you can just think like what is not will do. Let me again copy the same thing. Okay, I have already copied. I'm putting x equals to 55, y equals to 55. These are same. But now if I am doing x is not, okay, is space not y. That means here I am saying that x is not equals to y, but I am saying wrong. So we are expecting here false. Let's check. Yes, it's false. So if I again paste it over here and just check, change something, 553. Now if I do x is not y, it means I am saying the correct, because x is not actually equals to y. Okay, so we are expecting here true. Yes, it's true. So this is all about identity operator. Okay, very small thing. You can check for any conditions, like whenever in any program or project you will be using, so there you may require something like this, is or is not, true or false. It will return only boolean values. Okay, true or false. Okay, so this is all about identity operator. Now let's talk about membership operator. I'm copying from here. Okay, I just copied entire thing, no problem. So I'm pasting it over here and removing this part. Now let's see membership operators. So I told you membership operators requires the example of list and tuple. That's why I was just waiting to finish the list and tuple first. Okay, so let me just create a list. I'm creating fruits. Fruits equals to apple, the same example, banana, and suppose mango. Okay, this is a list. Now I want, suppose I'm taking cherry, cherry. So cherry in fruits. So it means I'm asking or I'm checking if this element is there in fruits. No, of course, cherry is not there in this list. So we are expecting here false. Let me check. Yes, it is giving false. So this is our first membership operator, that is called in. Let me write here. So the first membership operator is in. Similarly, another is not in. Okay, let me just comment out. Okay, so let me suppose go for apple. Apple in fruits. So I'm asking if apple is there in fruits. Yes, apple is there. So we're expecting here true. Yes, it is giving true. Similarly, I'm again just okay, let it be there. We don't require much. Let me go with not in. So I'm suppose saying grapes. Grapes is not there. Okay, so grapes not in fruits. Grapes not in fruits. So yes, it's true. The statement is true. Grapes are not there in this list. So it should return me true. The boolean value. Let me check. Yes, it is giving true. So if I do now, suppose mango. Let me copy this and paste it over here. And here I am doing mango. mango. Now this statement means I mean to say mango is not there in this fruits list. But mango is there. It means my statement is false. It's not correct. So we are expecting here false. Now let me execute shift plus enter. So here you can say it's giving me false. So this is all about identity operator and membership operator. Okay, let me go for a tuple. This is how you can check for list. Similarly, you can go for tuple also. Let me give an example. So I'm going for tuple. Let me write tup. Tuple membership test. Okay. Now suppose I am declaring a tuple. My tuple equals to tuple comes in parenthesis. I want to check x, y, and z. Okay, x, y, z. So this is a tuple. If I just print it out, my my tuple, then you can see it's a tuple. Okay. So now if I check x in my underscore tuple, yes, x is there. So we are expecting true. Yes, it is giving true. So suppose I am doing w. W is not there. So if I do w is there in my tuple, so my statement is wrong. So we are expecting here false. Yes, it is giving false. Similarly, we can do it not in. Let me show you. So I am saying suppose y. Y is there, but I am saying y not in my underscore tuple. So this is my variable name. So here it is giving false because y is there, and here I am saying y is not there. So my statement is wrong, isn't it? So similarly, if I do here w or maybe a, maybe k, okay, k not in my tuple. Yes, k is not there, and I am saying that only. The statement is true. Let's check. Yes, it is giving true. So that's all guys for this video. We have discussed about identity operators. What are identity operators? That is and is not. And don't just do like isn, sorry, isn this t. Don't do this. Okay, it's called is not, not isn't. Okay, so don't do this. Let me just remove. Don't do this. So identity operator is and is not, as well as the membership operator is in and not in. Okay, so very small topic. So I hope you have understood, and that's all guys, and I'm just saving it, and see you in the next video with new topic that is called sets. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy, and take care.